4-bar. Generally it's a 4-bar or 8-bar intro.
Good morning. Today we're going to drive the luxury pre-runner. It is bright and early. The sun is coming up right now. We got I have a long day ahead. Pre-running this morning, hopping on a flight back to America, going to a wedding, coming back tomorrow morning. It's gonna be a long 24 hours, but can't miss a friend's wedding. But you can't slack off on pre-running. If it was up to me, we would have been out here at 4 a.m., but it's really, really dark, so we're gonna have to settle for 6. Them dogs, bro. Ready? Dude, you gotta assert your dominance. Ready? This guy's loving it. That guy's loving it. This guy, you literally didn't eat your first one, bro. Ready, Ben? Let's roll.
Let's get it. It's just such cheating thing. Faster, it's just so freaking like casual. Like normally, like, you know, freezing. Like, it just doesn't even feel like I'm pre-running. I feel like I'm driving to like pick up the kids, bro. Not that I have kids, but that's what I imagine it'd be like. Okay, maybe I wouldn't downshift that hard going to get the kids. Freaking tight. In the Razor, you go through and you're like, it's not too bad. It's just rocky. You come through here and this, and you're like, dude, it is stuck. Very stuck. It'll definitely slow our average mile per hour up, you know, because the rest of the course is like extremely fast, so this is going to bring our average down. But I think on race day we'll go through it pretty quick, but it's still like, it's that risk versus reward. There's just so many hidden rocks. The trophy trucks are full width of this road, so it's kind of like that. Yeah, it's not I don't love this part. Yeah, right now we're doing 101. It's pretty cash. We're just having a conversation. This thing's nice. It's like peaceful. And she's got a lot more in it, but there's no reason just to kill the old girl. It's a nice day out. Of course, like the past 2 days we've been in the Razor. Super windy, cold, cloudy. Now today we're in enclosed pre-runner. It's 70 degrees, no wind, beautiful, nice sun. I mean, I'm not complaining, but it's always ironic how that works. Dude, on Airport Road. We're just a little behind schedule, but we're here. Luckily, when you're flying the plane, it doesn't leave you. Hector holds the suit. Hey, that's first class service. Kind of sick.
Yeah, made it just in time. Gonna grab my hat, and hopefully I don't forget anything, but to the wedding we go. What up? We're back. What, less than 24 hours, right? That was like a 12-hour burner, but we're back. San Felipe. Landed. Now time to hop in the pre-runner. We got Mike Kim with us now, so big timing.
Buenos dias.
And we got some new toys, dude. We won't show those yet. I don't know. I was afraid to open them. So, you boys ready?
Yep.
Do it again. Did I wear the new Fox out today, or?
I'm planning on getting more this year, so.
Cause this is a podium hat.
That's a podium hat.
Oh, this is from KOH.
Yep.
Now it's all making sense. So you're like, oh, it's a podium hat. I'm like, well, then why am I getting it, dude? We're just starting the race, but look at how clean this sucker is. Gold, dude. Like, give a close up, dude. Hold on, I'm just getting her prepped up, dude. I'm getting all the tags off. Hold on, dude. Gotta customize her. Relax, dude. Gold. 2024. Ride Fox. I like the camo too. Pretty comfy. Now we go and get another one of these by doing more of this.
We just keep going into whoops, right? We got like 40 or 50 miles of whoops.
Yeah. Basically to like 55 is just straight whoops. And we're at mile 10 right now. So. Can we take the main line though? That's where we passed this one?
Yeah.
Well, let's see it. I ran the main line yesterday. It's the same shit.
Ran what? I don't know. I guess basically the start to 85, 90-ish. So here at La Ventana. Got Mike in here taking notes now, so we're just kind of cruising and taking our time, enjoying the scenery. A lot of whoops. The course gets better from here on. So even for it being like a week ahead of race day, it's like, dang, this course has already taken a beating just in the past couple days. But it's nice. It's nice that truck's running good, so. What do you think about that, Trey?
It's a piece of art right here, dude.
Precision, dude. The perfect amount of honey, the perfect amount of peanut butter, perfect amount of jelly, and the perfect amount of tortilla. I don't know how to fold here. You know, do you make it kind of flat or do you just kind of round it? I don't know. Beautiful. Nice.
Right, but it looks like we can go straight through. This looks like a cut line. We need to go a little further right to get to the VCP.
It looked like there was a huge pit right there on the right.
It's deep over there.
Fucking there's a fence line. Fun times, boys. We made it. There was a second there when we just started bushwhacking because I looked to the right and did you see them? They were just trenches, and I was like, we're just going straight.
Yeah.
I was like,
it actually turned out to be a really good line.
Yeah, no, honest. Well, that one was good too, but the one where I was just bushwhacking, that was clean.
Yeah.
We were bushwhacking, and all of a sudden there was a fence. I was like, uh-oh. Poor thing. She took a few bushes, but we're not sitting in dust right now. I mean, in silt right now.
Right.
We got the over rev alarm like 3 times. It was pissed because it'd be like, wow! Rusty girl, man. She's coming around. I just gotta learn how to drive it through that.
Yeah.
That's 4.
Hey, this truck just died, so don't go anywhere. We're a little ways in, but see if you could find like someone over there with a jumper box and put it in like a razor or something that could give it to us.
Okay, let me call you right back.
Okay, or jumper cables.
Okay, I will.
Thanks. Something's wrong though.
Don't turn it off. Does it have a second alternator?
I don't know. It says it does, but I don't think it does because nothing's changing.
Yeah.
It's got to be the alternator.
I think we need to do the alternator and the battery. It's all burned up.
You know the best thing?
The hat.
Take that one of those out. This one.
Yeah, so we're just having some charging issues, so we think it's an alternator, hopefully. Which we've never done an alternator on this truck, but it's very snug. So gonna attempt to get that changed up and hopefully get some more miles in this afternoon.
It might fit.
Our main alternator cable is pretty corroded, and now we're starting to cut it back, and there's a lot of, it's not very pretty. So I think this actually might be our issue. It might have affected the alternator, who knows, and it might have affected our batteries, but we're gonna troubleshoot one problem at a time. First problem, find where this cable is not corroded. Oh, maybe too much. I wasn't really sure, you know. I had this, used to working with, you know, a bigger hammer, if you know what I mean. Whoa, dude. We're gonna go run and see what it does. It's charging. Sorry, hairball. It's charging a lot better, but once a lot of the load comes back on, we are seeing it is a little lower than I would want. But we're gonna give her a go and see what happens.
So much fun. It's this, you come around this corner, go through a big G out, and then you're like, you know what? Guess what? There's either another G out or this thing, whatever you want to call it, and then bumps. And bumps. All is good. Just hopping onto old Portecitas. Yeah, man, these roads are when it gets scary. They're doing 130 something on this, and these bushes are just like the telephone poles. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't see ya. Going back to the house, or actually, we might get tacos at the General.
Bring it. This is bring it, brought it, brung it. It's like, that's not healthy to eat all that in one sitting. But hey, we now go to bed. The 3 or 4 hours of sleep I got really are starting to kick in.
Special, que tengo la bomba. Yeah.